Hey, what's going on, guys? So I've been wanting to do a free air bass test with the low frequency mode which we had previously. So today I'll be taking the JBL Charge 5 driver and we have the JBL Boombox 2 driver with us. Let's go ahead and connect this. The speaker is already set to low frequency mode and we'll be connecting this, and I just want to do some crazy basses for you guys. So let's get to it. So it's all set. It's actually set to low frequency mode, so I believe there's not going to be any issue with this. So let's give it a try if it's working or not. Alright, it seems to be working, so I'm just going to give you a greater view of the bass test. If you like the video, hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.